Hi everyone, thanks for expressing interest in learning more about how to participate in EdFinChat, the monthly EdChat held on the first Thursday of the month from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time to discuss topics related to education and school finance. In this brief instructional tutorial, we're going to review how to participate in EdFinChat using one of Twitter's own tools known as TweetDeck. To get started, assuming you have a Google account, let's navigate to the TweetDeck page, accessible at tweetdeck.twitter.com or simply tweetdeck.com. Once you navigate to the page, you'll have the option to log in with your Twitter account. Go ahead and click the blue login button, populate your username and password, and again, select login. If you've used TweetDeck before, or even if you haven't, you might already see the interface set up, ready for you to use. But before we start our first chat, we're going to clean up our interface so that all we see is our tool that enables us to engage in a dialogue and the conversation going on with the EdFinChat hashtag. To clean up our interface, let's begin by removing some of the columns that might already be present. To do so, locate the gray header bar at the top of each column, select our tools, followed by remove. Now don't worry, you can always remove these columns back. Again, tools, remove. Next, we want to make sure that our interface is set up to allow us to easily engage in the dialogue. To do so, make sure that your navigation bar is expanded. If it's already collapsed, you can select the expand option with the two arrows pointing to the right. Next, we want to make sure that our ability to comment and participate in the dialogue is easily accessible to us. To do so, make sure we click the blue New Tweet button, and then make sure towards the bottom right corner of the blue navigation pane that we've checked the Stay Open checkbox. This will ensure that this dialogue and our tweet box is accessible to us throughout the chat. Next, we need to search Twitter to find the EdFinChat discussion. To do so, locate the Search Twitter navigation tool and type in EdFinChat with our hashtag. Hit enter, and here is the EdFinChat dialog. These are all of the tweets in chronological order based on a timestamp that's been entered for a hashtag. As new tweets come in, they'll pop up right here automatically without you needing to refresh your screen. So to participate in the dialogue, let's go ahead and type in what's happening. And I'm going to say, this is my sample video for EdFinChat. Look for it soon. So this is my tweet that I have going out. You'll notice I have included the EdFinChat hashtag. It's always important that this hashtag is somewhere within the tweet. You can start by typing EdFinChat, or you can even end by typing EdFinChat. It just needs to be added to each one of your tweets to make sure that your conversation or your tweet gets associated with this conversation and shows up for everyone to see. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and hit tweet. You'll notice that instantly my tweet popped up here. So just to simulate this one more time, here is my second tweet for our awesome Twitter chat. Get involved today. Hashtag EdFinChat. And now I'm going to click tweet. Again, in just a few seconds, my tweet showed up. As EdFinChat begins, again at 2 o'clock p.m. on the first Thursday of each month, you'll notice a variety of different tweets coming here. If for some reason you miss a tweet, don't worry, you can scroll down and catch back up. But always make sure to keep on participating and sharing your thoughts, even if it's after the chat. If you need additional help or guidance participating in EdFinChat, or just getting set up on Twitter, feel free to reach out to us using any of our hashtags. We look forward to seeing you at the chat and for many chats to come.